Hi everyone, welcome back to our fun craft corner. Today, we're going to make a super cute origami fish in just 5 easy steps. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Step 1. Start with a square piece of paper. You can use any color you like. If you don't have origami paper, you can cut a square from regular paper. Fold the paper like this. Step 2. Press in between the two halves of the square paper. Step 3. Now you have a triangle. Press the fold firmly. Step 4. Take both corners of the base of the triangle and fold them to meet the middle crease. This creates the body and tail of the fish. Step 5. Now, let's add a special touch to our fish. Take an empty tablet cover and cut a small circle out of it. Then, cut a small piece of black paper to fit inside the circle and glue it in. Attach this as the eye on your fish. This will make your fish look extra special. Now, stick this plastic eye near the tip of the folded fish for its eye. Use a marker to trace a curved line near the eye to make a smiling mouth. And there you have it, your very own origami fish. You can make a whole school of fish in different colors. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time.